So this is my day 2 update. Riding the Onewheel has gotten a little bit easier to get the hang of the Onewheel. If you actually use something as a support to find your footing and you know, practice the mount and the dismount of the Onewheel. So yeah, let me just show you. So I haven't gone like all out carving yet, but the potential obviously is there. Can I? See? That was terrible. I'm definitely not good at it at all as yet. So this is what I mean by using something as a support. So I use the pillow over here as the support. Makes it a lot easier. So you can then practice your dismount, the heel up dismount, like so. So again, you can use someone, but you can also use a pillar or a wall as a support to practice dismount. So now, towards the end of day 2 update for the Onewheel, I've made a lot of progress. The kind of progress that we're talking about isn't it wasn't a situation that I was taking it out like every single minute, every single hour. After I uploaded the video yesterday, I spent the next probably half an hour trying to get my mount, practice my mount and dismount by using the pillar as a support. And then after that, what I did was I started to maneuver around the car using obviously the car as a support. So that gave me a better understanding on using the Onewheel and the behavior of it whenever you know, put your weight forward and you put your weight backwards. So yeah, that was how I, you know, got the confidence to maneuver using the Onewheel. At the same time, when I got the hang of dismounting or getting off the Onewheel with the you know, with the heel up method, it was the rest, and like today, it was just me going really slow. Of course, I think that there's a lot more practice that I need to put into Onewheel because I really want to shred and carve like the rest of the guys I see on YouTube. And definitely, I will be using a helmet, you know, wrist guards, you know, when I get better, because you definitely wouldn't want to fall. There's this very interesting Facebook group. It's called the Onewheel Crash Group. It's actually pretty gruesome, the pictures and the pictures that I see inside. It is really quite gruesome, but it's quite amazing how the guys inside, you know, they all have a very good sense of humor, just laughing it off. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and I will be back again with a video soon. Bye bye.